I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming eligibility and collecting essentials. This saves time later. Check degree level, field match, and any citizenship or residency rules. While you verify, assemble your CV, transcripts, a one-page research statement draft, and 2 recommenders' contact details so you can request letters right away. Next, shortlist 5 fellowships that fit your research and timing. Note each deadline, award amount, and duration. Once done, schedule tasks backward from the earliest deadline to create a launch calendar. You now build the middle of the application. Clear, tailored materials. Draft a concise research statement explaining what you will do, why it matters, and how you will achieve it within the proposed timeframe. Make focused edits to your CV and cover letter so they speak to selection criteria, emphasizing 3 top achievements. Contact recommenders 6 to 8 weeks before the deadline, supplying a bullet summary, your draft, and submission instructions. Make sure to plan any required budget, institutional sign-offs, or collaborator letters during this window. You finish by completing the submission and verifying everything. Upload files, fill forms, and enter budget numbers with at least 48 hours to spare. This buffer handles technical problems. Do a final pass for formatting, correct file types, confirmed recommendation uploads, and adherence to page limits. Once submitted, save receipts and confirmation emails. If something goes wrong, missing letter, upload error, contact the fellowship administrator immediately. Explain the issue, and keep a written record. Persistence and clear
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.